Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein. This is Vehicle Virgins, and today we're headed to Malibu for a car show. The car show at Cross Creek happens every single Sunday from 10 to noon. It's one of my favorite shows. It's been going on for years and years, long before I moved to Southern California. But the craziest thing happened yesterday. A bunch of people sent me a post from the Lost Hills County Sheriffs that basically said they're trying to shut down the car show. And their reasoning was as follows. I'll put the actual post right here on the screen. Basically, they're claiming that it's a safety hazard somehow, even though it's one of the smoothest, nicest run car shows. Everyone's respectful. Nobody's doing revving or burnouts or causing any sort of issues. And the other thing they're saying is that it's obstructing businesses from operating properly, when I would argue more people than ever before are actually going into the stores because people have to eat, people have to go to the bathroom, people want to buy things, so on and so forth. So we are headed to the car show to check out, have they actually killed the Malibu event? Look at all these ruby stone red Porsches all next to each other. That's insane. Just a casually parked Senna. Since the cops basically alluded to the fact that they were gonna try to ticket anyone who congregates in a public parking lot, I decided to bring the Tesla and plug it in charging, so can't get a ticket if all I'm doing is charging my Tesla. Check out how beautiful this Mura is, guys, and he's actually got the clamshell opened up so we can take a look at that transversely mounted V12. Look at that, you'll notice it's mounted this way instead of this way like modern day Lamborghinis. That is so cool. And then let's come around to the interior. Look how amazing these seats are. Oh my God, that is wicked. Nicely spec'd Pista. Another Pista pulling out. Pretty cool spec Huracan STO, all black with orange calipers and orange seats. 16M, you don't see these very often. Back with Austin, Speed Phenom, and he's got one heck of a cool car today. So you're 2 for 2. First with the 600 LT and then the CT5V Blackwing.
This thing, I mean, like, it's a dream come true having a car of this caliber with a manual transmission. You're not gonna see this anymore. 668 horsepower with, again, a 6-speed manual, and it's hooked up. You're gonna like this car.
I know, I gotta drive one of these soon. The first question I asked him when he said he was getting one of these is it a manual? And when he said yes, I literally was freaking out. So he's allowing me to go inside this beast and start it up.
Here's the key, sir.
Oh, thank you very much. It's actually kind of a cool key.
He has what car do you think? What does that look like?
Looks like a C8 Corvette
C8
key.
Corvette.
Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and hop in. Okay. Check out this manual transmission. The linkage feels so awesome. And let's go ahead and fire it up. Check out the display, also kind of similar to a C8 Corvette, but man, what a daily driver this would be. 668 horsepower with a manual transmission. That is epic. Austin told me to check out the backs of these seats. This is ridiculous. Imagine sitting here in the back just staring at this massive piece of carbon fiber. And I'm sure listening to that beautiful V8 soundtrack. We're gonna pop the engine bay here.
Cooling is amazing. No power loss. 10 heat exchangers, I believe.
That is a big motor.
Oh yeah.
Is it a 6.2? What is it?
Yeah, it's the same basic size as a Z67, but more power. So 18 more horsepower.
Love it.
And hey, it's, again, no power loss, so that's the best part about it. Mode selector down here. Here we've got track mode.
Oh, I heard the valves open up.
As the C8 Corvette, essentially. Look at that, 25 MPG. Was not lying.
That's ridiculous.
With a manual transmission. Right here, rev matching. So when you hit that button...
Oh, turn that off.
No, I don't have the driver's skill to rev
match
myself.
Fair enough.
I used to have it when I had my Shelby 350, but then I bought the McLaren and the dual clutch kind of hampered me.
I'm pretty excited. Honestly, I was thinking before I got the Gt500 about getting one of these, but they were so hard to find in a manual. I called legitimately 25 or 30 dealerships and nobody had one. And I believe if they did have one, the markup would have been absolutely insane and I wouldn't have wanted to pay that. But thank you so much for the ride. I'm excited to see what this thing is like.
Sorry I haven't pulled out sooner.
No, it's all good.
I'm not sure how I'm supposed to do this. Maybe right now. Okay, we're good.
Oh, good front end clearance, actually. So is this thing super tail happy or?
No, that was just the road condition.
Gotcha.
No, it's, I had it on the track and it's not tail happy. Car's a bit cold right now anyways, but trust me, it's not like that once you start getting it going. But you know the nice roads over here, so let's go feel it out.
Yeah.
But like even revving it.
Oh, damn. Yeah, that's epic. Well, the good news is it didn't seem like the show was being shut down whatsoever by the police. So I'm not quite sure what that Instagram post was all about, but we still got Malibu Cars and Coffee.
Yes, sir.
Hello, officer.
You can go into something called race mode, which that's like all the stuff turned off. But on the street, you don't want to.
Yeah, so that's pretty similar to the Corvette too, right? With the traction options?
That's how you enable
launch control, yeah.
It's their secret way.
All right, this thing sounds epic and pulls pretty darn hard. We're gonna make a right at this light.
Okay. It's got punch, doesn't it? It's.
Ooh, that rev matching. That was nice. Like a pro.
You don't need to be a good. Well, you can just.
We'll just pretend that you didn't press that button. It's just all you.
That's the whole act, right? It's like all the drag strip.
It's like driving a Cayman GT4 and you're just. Well, the GT500 doesn't backfire like that.
It's still going. Listen.
Yeah.
Is it still going? There we go. G.
Oh, the G-force gauge. Nice. The most necessary instrument rating. All right, this thing is awesome.
Hopefully no.
Check out the touchscreen display here. Performance data recorder. Wow, video overlay, lap timer.
This right here, you can preview.
Oh, no way. That is way cool.
Then it turns off because you're driving. They don't want you to get distracted.
Yeah, well, I was distracted, but I wasn't driving. Check this out, Ford GT with the entire rear clamshell missing. That is pretty cool. One of the cleanest spec 992 Turbo S's I have ever seen. Look at the paint on that. That is unbelievable. What is that? I wanted to let you guys know that I'm gonna be at the Long Beach Grand Prix this Saturday and Sunday, the 9th and 10th. I'm actually gonna be at the Carblip booth, one of my latest ventures, and it'd be an awesome opportunity to meet a whole bunch of you guys, just hang out and have some fun at an awesome racing event. So that's this Saturday, Long Beach Grand Prix, the 9th and 10th. That Blackwing did get me thinking. Did I end up buying the wrong car? Now, I love the GT500. I love it way more than I ever thought I would, but there's definitely something really appealing about the Blackwing's manual transmission. I will say the GT500 is louder, it's more raw from the factory, but that Blackwing does have a nicer interior and, of course, that manual. Obviously, I'm a bit biased, but I think I made the right choice with the Shelby Gt500. Leave a comment in the comment section below. What do you think? GT500 or CT5V Blackwing? The good news is, however, if I did make a mistake, buying a new car has never been easier. Carblip has revolutionized the car buying process and made it easier than ever. No going into dealerships, haggling on prices. Everything can be done from the comfort of your own home, quickly online, and you can even buy a car in crypto. If you click the link in the description below, you'll actually buy a car directly from me via Carblip, and it is an awesome process. Once you click the link, you simply select your manufacturer, in this case Ford, then we're gonna scroll down to Mustang, then select the exact color you want, all of the correct options, interior trim, so on and so forth, and then a Carblip concierge, me in this case, will reach out to you and walk you through the whole process. Then, when it's time for your down payment, you can even pay in cryptocurrency. Check out the transaction that I made buying this GT500. Got an email from Carblip, boom, connected my Coinbase account, and paid the down payment in Bitcoin. How crazy is that? Whether you're buying a new Prius, hopefully not a Prius, but honestly, no judgment if you are, a Toyota Corolla, a new Ford Shelby Gt500, or a Lamborghini, Carblip is the way to do it. So head to shop.carblip.com/VV or click the link in the description below for the easiest process possible and the best price possible on your new car. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.